I've been working for Canon for now 13 years.
So 13 years ago.
Yeah. So it's a wonderful experience because I have been value worked for the various organizations. In Canon, people comes first in terms of grooming, nurturing, and developing people always at different levels. Uh, that is the becoming an important element of success for Canon, and make sure that people contribute and they all of us having a lot of belongingness in the organization. So I'm also feeling very happy and proud to be part of the organization. OS division is a new division we have formed in the year 2011 because with the advent of products like we have now Canon has taken over OSE. So with the OSE, the product portfolio has increased because and now we need a lot of focus attention to the segments, market segments accordingly. So with these elements, organization decided that is office imaging solution is a division which handles with all the office requirement, right from the entry level from A4 copier to an A3 multifunction printers, everything. And then we have another division called the PPD division, which is called the production, print and production division, which handles all kind of graphic arts requirement on the cut sheets and the continuing sheets, which has a combination of the Canon products and the OC products. And then we have one more division called Wide Format Imaging Solution, WFI. Those are the machine which you can see that this is a product basically taking care of all large format printing applications or the solutions required, whether indoor, outdoor, or printing on various medias of various sizes. So there's a three different divisions has been formed. From the earlier it was called as business imaging solution, has been divided into three. Now the office imaging solution, also the added impact is the direct channel as well as indirect channel together with the marketing team is made as a one separate division to get that kind of a focus and to give that acceleration on the growth of the chief responsibility is office imaging solution. I have to get the ensure that both my dealer channel and my direct channel reach out the market and ensure that we maintain the number one market share in the A4 segment. I'm sorry, not A4, A3 market, multifunction device segment. That's the prime thing, and bring a lot of focus on the color business, which is growing at a speed of about 40% growth. So we can looking at a growth of 50% on the color segment, and bring in a lot of solutions in the dealer channel also. Currently, a lot of solutions are being provided from the direct channel. We call them as enterprise solution division. So we wanted that to be replicated even in the indirect channel, so that we do not go only in terms of giving box, we go in terms of giving a total solution for the customer. So we want to migrate most of our people, whether it's the direct channel people or from the indirect channel, into go from the box sale to a solution based approach. That's my focus will be in the OS channel. Of course the profit and things like that, which is not to be said, it is there as a part of the first reaction is normally partners are always comfortable of taking a product and giving a discount in the market because they do not like to keep the stock with them for a longer period of time, and they want the stock to be completely moved. So what my first challenge is to make the partners to move from selling the low-end box to a high-end box. It's basically we are saying that right now people are looking at the box means it's a question of talking about less than 20 ppm is more. So what is the first aim is to make the partners to go for a value chain. and say that so for which they need to have a quality salespeople and well-trained salespeople. So the primary focus being done is ensure that all my partner salespeople are well trained on the high-end solutions. Not only on the product per se, even giving them exposure on the solutions upfront. Why it is required? Because most of there are 50 odd top partners across the metros and non-metro locations across the country. We need them to go a different level. Unless when they go to different level, there is a high level of customer engagement and customer retention comes into the place. The moment the customer feels this partner is going to be with my company, understand my needs, and they have a high level of connectivity with the partners, and there is a better relationship maintains it, which we normally see in the direct channel. The direct channel success is 80% of the business comes from our existing customers. That means every year we add on another 20% more of acquiring new customers. That means 80 customers are giving us repeat business, which is an element of the excellent service and a high level of customer engagement and relationship. This is what we like to bring it with our partners. World is changing. If you look at it, everywhere today the customers are all looking into it is instead of box. They say that how you going to give value addition in my organization. And today most of my partners, I'm very happy that are engaging into that kind of a level of giving a total solutions. When I say total solution, it does not mean a software solution. It is understanding the needs of the customer and how well they plan to retain the customer. Tomorrow the key word is to retain the customer and grow up the customer will be our important thing. Because a lot of times, we do not keep the kind of a track. Is it my customers are really happy? It is not like that the customer wanted this particular equipment is being served with giving that kind of equipment. Not at all. Understanding whether the customer workflow of the print management is really good, are they able to bring down the cost so that he should become the part of the organization. So today most of the intelligent partners are having a high level of customer relation management with those kind of customers, and that is going to be the key success to my partners. Maintain the existing customers and grow. Never lose even a single customer.